Serving amounts are easily changed. Just check the web page for correct ingredient measurements. Here are the ingredients for paprika chicken. You'll need chicken, all-purpose flour, unsalted butter, yellow onion, bell pepper, celery stalk, button mushrooms, chicken broth, pimento, paprika, salt, black pepper, and egg noodles. Okay, first let's cut the onion and the button mushrooms into thin slices. Then seed and dice the bell pepper and dice the celery stalk. Now cut up the chicken into parts and season it all with salt and black pepper. Dredge the chicken parts in all-purpose flour. Melt the butter over medium heat in a large saucepan. And after browning the chicken pieces, remove them to a plate. Now add the yellow onion, the bell pepper, the celery, and the mushrooms. Sauté it all until the onions are translucent. Add the chicken pieces and pour in the chicken broth. Add the pimento, salt, black pepper, and paprika. Then cover it up and cook for 45 minutes over medium heat. In a separate stock pot, bring water to a boil, add salt and the egg noodles. Boil for 4 to 6 minutes until al dente. Drain the egg noodles and add to the chicken. Stir and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Now you've got a hearty meal of juicy, flavorful paprika chicken served on delicious egg noodles from simplefoodie.com.